Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold slipped over 1% as investors booked profits after it briefly reached a 5-week high earlier in the session and squared positions ahead of a US Federal Reserve meeting next week. Wall Street edged lower as investors assessed key economic data ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. The S&P 500 climbed to its highest level in nearly a week as an inflation report cemented bets on a 25 basis point rate cut at the Fed's December 17th-18th meeting. Cryptocurrency exchanges in Europe are preparing to delist locally non-compliant stablecoins as European crypto regulations near an enforcement deadline. Coinbase Europe, Coinbase Germany and Coinbase Custody International will delist Tether's USDT and 5 other stablecoins today. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. Economic activity is expected to pick up this week, with the calendar featuring a mix of high, medium and low impact data releases. Traders should stay informed as these reports could present both opportunities and risks. With these significant events approaching, be sure to keep an eye on market sentiment. Preparing for potential volatility can ensure you're ready to act as needed.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.